It's another beautiful, bright and sunny day here at European Motors in Cedar Rapids, Iowa, and we have a 2023 Volvo XC60 all-wheel drive. Still has about 6 months of the factory warranty left, or 50,000 miles, whichever one comes first. So still factory warranty, white exterior with the two-tone light color seats and dark carpets. Two-tone interior here, 44,000 miles on it. Huge panoramic sunroof there. This thing is in really nice shape, as you'd expect for a 2023 all-wheel drive. We have a great set of Continental all-season tires on this. Tons of tread left on those. Is a really bright day today, so I apologize. It's tough for me to find imperfections, but I will tell you what, that pearlescent paint, I don't know if it's coming through on the camera, but that just has a shimmer in it today. Looks really nice. I will point out, I know there's a little mark right here on the bumper, something to be aware of, but other than that, this car is in really nice shape. Another look at those great all-season Continental tires. That's a bug right there. Passenger side looks straight and true. We have the Volvo factory carpet floor mats. Seats are in great shape. I'll show you the driver's side. Little bit of wrinkling, as you'd expect from a leather seat like this, but in really nice shape. All-wheel drive. This is the B5 engine combo. Power lift gate. We have the cargo cover back here. Maddie's gonna show us that the seats fold down nice and flat, and then that cargo cover does come out as well if you're looking to haul some more stuff, but that's a nice little thing to have. Looking down the driver's side, and it's a bright and sunny day, but I'm not seeing any dings in this car. It looks straight and true, as you'd want with the 2023 XC60. This is in really nice shape. I love the wheels with the black pockets in between the spokes. Gives it a really nice look. Let's hop on in and take it for a spin. And see, no warnings on the dash. I actually skipped past the mileage here. Let me see if I can get that pulled back up here. Give it a second. There it is, 44,370 miles. Pop it in reverse. Nice backup camera. And these XC60s, these are a nice size SUV. Seats 4 people very comfortably. I love that 360 camera. That is really cool. Really nice for parallel parking or anything else like that. But they're a nice size. They get amazing fuel economy. All-wheel drive, and Volvo has just done such a nice job. They kind of redesigned everything in the 2018 era. And just ever since they've done that, just they took another step up in quality level. They're kind of going after, I think, the Mercedes and Audis of the world, with a price that's a lot more appealing than the Mercedes, Audis, and BMWs. Got the navigation map here in the center console. Got a ton of different driver assists. So you have blind spot monitoring, active cruise control, pilot assist. And then you'll see here we actually have the Google Maps, so it knows where there's a little more traffic than normal, all sorts of other goodies. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as you would expect with the 2023 We do also have 2 keys for this car as well. Really nice to have. And then I know in the 2023 era Volvo, you can get the remote start app through your phone as well. There may or may not be a subscription that comes along with that, but I know this is remote start capable.
The interior of this car is gorgeous. I absolutely love this light wood grain paired with the two-tone. It is beautiful in here.
I like the steering wheel as well with the two-tone black with the cream center there. Well, spin it around the block though, shows everything it should. Of course, this is still under factory warranty, so a lot of get up and go there. 50, 55, and 60 miles an hour. Straight and true, no shakes, no shimmies. Give us a call, 319-393-8496, EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. My name is Tommy. Maddie's in the passenger seat. Either one of us would be glad to help you out with any questions. We do offer shipping in the lower 48 states, so if this is the car for you and you are not in the area, give us a call, get you more details about that. Or if you're local, stop on by and take a look at this sweet Volvo XC60 for yourself. We do service these cars as well, so if you have a Volvo, you're looking to get this one, and you're looking to get it serviced here in eastern Iowa, give us a call and get you helped out with that as well. 319-393-8496, EuropeanMotorsIowa.com. Thanks for going for a ride with us today in the 23 XC60.